What's going on, guys? It's Payton Fisher, and on this channel we talk all things real estate and construction. Right now I am at the 2022 Parade of Homes, and we are at Tempi at the Ridge at Zion Vista. This is a 2,916 square foot home, 5 bedroom, 5 bathrooms, and it's all on one floor. Now, one of the coolest parts that I think about this home already that I can see is literally just walking up to it. They already have a sports court up here. This is so awesome. They got a half a basketball court, and then they got the pickleball court right in. They've got the taller garage, so if you want to put in a bigger truck, you can, or a skinny boat with a tower, which is nice. And I have a feeling the views on this house are going to be really hard to beat. Coming over to this side, lots of fun dimension on this sidewalk. And there is Pine Valley. Wow, that is beautiful. Now, obviously, this will all be developed one day. Right now, though, it is absolutely incredible. Let's go inside. Big iron doors. I gotta love those. All right, so when we come in, you can see all the way down into the hallway into the kitchen. We're going to go to the left to the Casita. Right here to the left, to the left. Oh, hello. Sneak past you here. Really beautiful windows there. And then the Casita, I think, probably is going to have some of the best views of the entire house. Absolutely beautiful. And in the Casita, they've got the full washer and dryer, which is awesome. A little mini fridge. Microwave. And as we come in here, we've got really pretty octagon tile. I think that's the right word. Correct me in bottom. Correct me in the comments if I just said that wrong. That is really pretty. And it's got its own entrance there, which is nice. And a very modern fan. And it looks like a separate air conditioning unit up on the top.
Well, those are cute.
And then we've got some double bunk beds in here. Modern fan. Closet over there. And then the bathroom here. There's a lot of texture on this tile. You can see it as it's coming up. And let's check out the views from this room. Yep, it's a good thing they did the iron gate fence just how they were, leave it super open. You really could see into hurricane area. All right, so we come back out. We're gonna come back down this hallway. Now this hallway is huge, and it's a really cool light fixture up there. You coming in, this is just a nice big closet here. Huge big open room. Do a nice pano here. You can see everything. Super beautiful. So we're gonna go over to the left again. I'm guessing this is gonna be a master because it still has absolutely amazing views also. Nice and spacious. They've got the countertops off of the ground here, which is nice.
Have you ever seen the tub?
Big tub. Excuse me. And backsplash there. And restroom. And we've got the master closet here. Looks like we've got a Fort Knox safe. It could be bolted in. It might not be bolted in. Just depends.
Somebody will stand out there, I'm sure that's where you do it.
Looks like all AstroTurf in the backyards. Then you don't have to mow the lawn, which is nice. Fireplace is stoned all the way up, which is really pretty. And this, I'm wondering if there is total pantry back here. That is awesome. Totally hidden. You'd never know this was back here. Watch when that closes. Nice soft close. Super cool. And this is interesting. There's two different levels on this granite here and here. That's pretty unique. I haven't seen that in any of the other houses. With the big waterfall edge here. Got another bathroom here, right next to the sports court on the outside. Same tile as in the other bathroom, but big tile on the floor there. Love that. And this looks like it would be the other little, say, a suite, because it doesn't have a bathroom attached to it. Great, great views if you want to come sit out here. Let's go in the backyard now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Good, how are you? Oh, thank you. Ta-da. All right, back out on the back patio. Now this is where it gets amazing. Whoop. The fun basketball court. Interesting. So they have the deep end in the middle here, where they have the two sides right there that you can get into. And then over here on this side, we've got an outdoor kitchen, which is really nice. It's slightly far away from the other kitchen. That's okay though. What's this? Oh, I think that's an ice maker, maybe. Yep, I believe that is. Okay. Let's go check out this view. It looks like they have little lights all over the bottom. A nice fireplace out here. And yes, these views are definitely going to be hard to beat. It's absolutely beautiful. And then over here, we've got a little chipping putting green. They even have a little bit of a sand trap so you can practice your chipping out there. I forgot, they have another half bathroom here, and then there is another laundry room here. It's really cool stone. I don't know what it is, but they've got the washer and dryer in here, and then out to the garage. We've got the 2-car, hello. And they've got, looks like, the spackling going on the floor here. And then the taller single car, you might be able to put a boat in here. Just depends on how tall your boat is. But it looks like they've got all their utilities inside of the closets, which is always nice. And then out here to the pickleball court. Now this home is for sale right now, $1.45 million. I mean, it's just money, right? Just come and buy it. So if you guys have any questions or comments about this house, let me know. My information's below. We are going to head on to the next one, and we'll see you there in just a minute.